The BSD RCTA Disabled warning is a common alert in Subaru vehicles equipped with eyesight technology, particularly models from 2017 onwards. This warning indicates that your vehicle's blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert systems have been temporarily disabled. BSD stands for blind spot detection, which uses radar sensors mounted in the rear bumper to detect vehicles in your blind spots. RCTA, or Rear Cross Traffic Alert, warns you of approaching traffic when backing out of parking spaces. Both systems rely on the same radar technology. The warning can appear due to environmental factors like snow, mud, or debris covering the rear sensors, or from technical issues such as sensor malfunction, outdated software, or wiring problems. Weather conditions like heavy rain, fog, or extreme temperatures can also interfere with the radar signals. The first troubleshooting step is a simple system reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart and drive for 5 to 10 minutes at speeds above 20 miles per hour. This allows the system to recalibrate and may resolve temporary glitches. Regular sensor cleaning is crucial for proper system operation. The radar sensors are typically located in the rear bumper area. Remove any snow, ice, mud, or debris using mild soap and water, then dry thoroughly. Also check for any aftermarket accessories or trailer hitches that might obstruct the sensor view. If the warning persists after basic troubleshooting, or if multiple safety system warnings appear simultaneously, it's time to seek professional help. You can try recalibration through your vehicle's infotainment system first, but persistent issues require professional diagnosis using OBD2 scanners to identify specific error codes. Remember, while the BSD RCTA disabled warning can be concerning, your vehicle remains safe to drive. However, you'll need to rely more on manual checking of blind spots and surroundings until the system is restored. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the BSD RCTA disabled warning, more advanced solutions become necessary. This section covers professional repair options, costs, and preventive maintenance strategies. Advanced troubleshooting typically involves software updates at authorized Subaru dealerships, costing between $100 to $200. For hardware issues, sensor replacement ranges from $300 to $800 per sensor. Subaru has actively addressed these issues through technical service bulletins and software updates, particularly targeting 2018 through 2023 model years with improved diagnostic capabilities. Regular preventive maintenance is crucial for system reliability. Monthly sensor cleaning, especially during winter months, and annual eyesight system inspections help prevent most BSD RCTA issues before they occur. Future developments include next-generation radar sensors with enhanced weather resistance, improved self-diagnostic capabilities, and better integration with vehicle safety ecosystems for more reliable operation. While driving with disabled BSD RCTA systems remains safe, increased vigilance is essential. Manual blind spot checking becomes critical, and drivers should maintain heightened awareness of surrounding traffic. Seek professional assistance when warnings persist after basic troubleshooting, multiple safety systems show warnings simultaneously, or after any physical damage to the rear bumper area. Maintaining these systems ensures optimal vehicle safety capabilities. Advanced troubleshooting, regular maintenance, and staying informed about manufacturer updates are key to maintaining BSD RCTA system functionality. When in doubt, professional diagnosis ensures your Subaru's safety systems operate at peak performance.